Labendz is the worst managerial decision since the Boston Red Sox traded Babe Ruth to the New York Yankees. Not only can he pitch, he also hits home runs. I think it's a very, very shameful decision. I am livid about it. We need to do everything we can to stop it. You've all heard just how much Dr. Labendz has been a mentor for students, just what he brings to education, Jewish studies and Holocaust studies here at YSU, and how much he cares deeply about his students and teaching. And the Center for Judaic and Holocaust Studies, in my opinion, has grown and greatly improved during the 5 years that he's been here. CJHS is literally a model for Jewish and Holocaust studies centers at every other university in the country. You can take a page out of the book that Dr. Labendz has written about, not literally, metaphorically, about our Jewish Studies Center here. It really is one of the only centers for Jewish studies where we have civil discourse between people who vehemently disagree, but in a very civil manner. As you probably know, Dr. Labendz and I disagree on virtually everything relating to politics and Jewish identity, lessons of the Holocaust, and so on and so forth. But that's okay, because he and I sit down and talk, and in front of students, in front of student audiences, have great debates and discussions and intellectual conversations that I think students really gain a lot from. And it's really a shame that we're not going to have this anymore if this happens, if Dr. Labendz is no longer here. So thank you very much for coming out. I greatly appreciate it. We need to do all we can to save Dr. Labendz's job. I will now hand it over to you.